Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A51 versus the Realme 5 Pro. And the Realme 5 Pro comes with a Snapdragon 712 CPU with 8 GB of RAM. There is a one more variant that comes with 6 GB RAM and a 128 GB internal storage, but this is a 8 GB RAM variant. While the Samsung Galaxy A51 comes with Exynos 9611 chipset with 6 GB of RAM, and both phones comes with a quad cameras on the back, and you can see and the main sensor on the back on both phones is a 48 megapixel. So let's see how much a difference between the A51 and the Realme 5 Pro in head-to-head speed test battle, and let's see which one is best for you. Like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And logo came up first on the A51, followed by the Realme 5 Pro, and Samsung Galaxy A51 is running on Android 10, while the Realme 5 Pro is running on Android 9, and we have a latest software version on both phones. And let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And you can see Realme 5 Pro is faster when it comes to booting up, while the Samsung Galaxy A51 now it is also done about 2 or 3 second difference there, and both phones comes with a full HD display, but the Samsung Galaxy A51 comes with a Super AMOLED display, while the Realme 5 Pro comes with a LCD display, and also we have a hole punch display on the A51. As guys, you can see it is also very small hole punch, while the Realme 5 Pro comes with a water drop notch on the top. So let's see the app's opening speed. Like always, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see, and the first application I'm gonna open is the phone dialer. Here we go, and you can see that is faster on the Realme 5 Pro, followed by the A51. So opening up the mic lock on both phones. Here we go, and that was exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. So opening up the my files, because I am interested in the RAM measurement performance. My files faster on the A51 little bit, followed by the Realme 5 Pro, not a huge difference there. So opening up the calendar on both phones. Here we go, and that is faster on the A51 again, followed by the Realme 5 Pro. Realme 5 Pro is right behind to the A51. So opening up the calculator, here we go, and faster on the A51 again, followed by the Realme 5 Pro. So opening some more application, we have YouTube on both phones. Here we go, faster on the A51, followed by the Realme 5 Pro. Realme 5 Pro is right behind there. So let's launch some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. Here we go, and let's see. And you can see Realme 5 Pro is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A51. So next on the list we have is the Subway Surfer on both phones. Exynos 9611 versus a Snapdragon 712, and you can see Realme 5 Pro with a Snapdragon 712 is faster than the Exynos 9611. I have to say that Exynos 9611 chipset is not optimized for this phone. I hope after some update the performance will be improved massively, because the chipset is really good on the A51. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2. Let's see which one is going to be the fastest one, and let's see. And you can see Realme 5 Pro, I mean Samsung Galaxy A51 is faster there, and Realme 5 Pro is also right behind there. And now it is also done about 2 or 4 second difference there in this game app loading time. And last, I'm gonna open the cameras on both phones, default camera app. Here we go, and that is like a little bit quicker on the Realme 5 Pro, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A51. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Samsung internet browser on the A51 versus a Google Chrome on the Realme 5 Pro. Same Wi-Fi network on both phones. So first website we have is the gsmmarina.com. Here we go, launching at the same time, and same Wi-Fi network as well on both phones. And you can see Samsung Galaxy A51 I think is a little bit faster there. Yes, it is a little bit faster than the Realme 5 Pro in this website loading speed. and scrolling is absolutely smooth on both phones. You don't notice any lags, and you can see very smooth performance on both phones, and we can't zooming in out on the Realme 5 Pro. Next website on the list is the wwe.com. It's a heavy website, and you can see that is faster on the Realme 5 Pro followed by the Samsung Galaxy A51, and not a huge difference in this website loading speed. So let's see scrolling, and you can see both phones perform really smooth performance we have on both phones. Same thing with zooming in and out on Big Show. So let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. We have 8 GB RAM versus a 6 GB RAM on the Samsung Galaxy A51. So phone dialer, no refresh, and let's see my clock, again no refresh. Let's move on with my files, again no refresh, same result. Candy Crush Saga, that is also not refresh on both phones. Subway Surfer, again no refresh. So far both phones perform incredible in the RAM management, and we have Temper 2, that is also not refresh on both phones. And last we are back to the internet browser like always, that is also still there on both phones. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A51 versus the Realme 5 Pro. I gotta say the app's opening speed does felt a little bit faster on the Realme 5 Pro, A50 right behind to the Realme 5 Pro. Not a huge difference in the app's opening speed, but still Realme 5 Pro is faster there. RAM management is absolutely incredible on both phones. Not much a difference when it comes to RAM management performance. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A51 versus the Realme 5 Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and let me know what kind of more videos you want to see regarding the Samsung Galaxy A51. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.